Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. You know what today is, Dollar Tree Tuesday. Now, with my Dollar Tree, some of the ladies may have already showed you some of the new items that have come out, but nevertheless, I'm never late. I'm just showing you some of the things that I have been picking up to get prepared for my outdoor series, tablescapes, and to do my yard. So let's get into it. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, thank you. If you're just coming over to see what my channel is, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a like and leave me a lovely comment. So let's get into it. So I went to this new Dollar Tree down here where I just moved and found some zip ties, and you'll see what I'll be using these for coming up in my outdoor series. So I got these, and of course we cannot eat corn without a tray. And then I also have the corn, sticks that you put in, because the little girls are coming for the summer and I don't want them to be messy, so I just picked up a 4-pack of these. Next, I got this, looks like a mermaid seashell type of tablecloth in blue and white, and you'll see this in an upcoming video for my outdoor series. And I thought this was fabulous. Summer is better at the beach. And this is the look that I am trying to obtain outside in my back area. So we have the sign. And of course, when you're barbecuing, you cannot have your tongs and your spatula to flip your food, because using plastic is not good on a grill. Note to self. So I refreshed, got some new utensils. And then I found these bungee cords. They have them in the 12, the 18, and the 24-inch pack. And we're going to be utilizing these outside to tie down the tarps that cover, my grill, etc. So I needed this, and I probably need to go back and get another one of these. This is new at my Dollar Tree. You may have seen it already, but it's called the Bath Fizzers, and they're little tiny bath bombs. So I got these just to try out, in my new wonderful master bathroom. And I'll let you know how these work out. If they're pretty good, I'll be going back to get some more of these. Next at my Dollar Tree, which I thought was a fabulous deal, they had the Copper Fit face protectors. And these are for the youth. It says for children, I believe ages 8 and up. So I got 3 of them. And I figured one for Ariana, Christina, and Truly Bear. And I opened one up already, and this is what it looks like. It's really stretchy. I think it would be too tight for an adult, but if you have a small face, it may work. And then it has the Copper name on it. So we'll see how this works with the girls when we go out on our fabulous shopping trips. Next, which I'm so excited to show you, every time this pattern came out, one year I was in New Jersey, I was not able to get it, and then 2 years ago I was down in Florida at Disney World, and I was watching everybody's video, and everybody was going crazy over the pattern. And bam, they have the lemon dish towels. It may not be new to some of you, but I was able to finally get my dish towels, which I was super excited. And then they have the pot holders. I don't remember seeing these over the years, but now they have the pot holders, and these were going fast. I got 2 of those, and they had the lemon, you know, your placemats with the pretty yellows on the back, so you can actually flip this over and do a yellow scene or do, you know, your lemon scene. So I only got 2 because I don't like everything to match. So it has the white in it, the yellow, and the green. So I'll probably mix and match when I do my tablescape with this for outside this summer. And you know, lemons, they just remind you of summer and fresh and lemon, you know, lemonades. So that's, at first when I seen the pattern, I was like, I don't know why people are going so crazy about it, but it has grown on me, so I figured, you know, let me join in. So I found 2 bowls. I didn't get 4. I got 2 of these, probably already seen these. I didn't go with the mugs and the glasses and all that. And then I also found the plates is really what I wanted. So I ended up getting 4 plates. And I have the other 2 here. So I think I am done with the lemon thing. I think last year when we did Let's Make Lemonade, I only had the cake lemon plates, which is somewhere in my garage, so I will be looking for them to try to complete, you know, this table setting. Now, moving on for my upcoming outdoor series. I reiterated a couple weeks ago in my Dollar Tree Tuesday about getting these. Well, they had a whole display. And I'm not going to take them all out, but I ended up getting 12 of these. And these are going to go around my property. And I was super excited. This is the bag of them. I'm not going to take them all out. But I was super excited to be able to get these. I don't know what, they're so hard to find. Next, I have been holding on to these. These were very hard to find every summer. And I picked up, I think, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. I got 12 of these as well, and you're gonna see me work with these in the yard, and they have the snap on it. I know they're flimsy, but it's just for cosmetic purposes when I go to do my outdoor series. Okay, so I got 12 of these. And like I said, I picked these up a while ago. I'm just finding stuff now in storage to actually show you what I've been picking up and saving. Now, lastly, I am super excited to show y'all these. These are the stick-on tiles. They are the faux tiles. You know, the backsplash. And y'all are gonna come over and help me do my kitchen, because when I moved into this new house, it's like a blank canvas to me, and it gives me room, you know, to do what my little ideas that I want to have. So when I start my kitchen refresh, we will be putting these up just temporarily. And I got 20 of these. Now, I don't think I need all 20, but I got extra just in case, you know, one falls down, you know, I can replace it. So that is it with my Dollar Tree Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have not seen some of the stuff that I presented to you today, I hope that you're able to go out and obtain it. So, as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. You stay blessed, and I will see y'all in another Dollar Tree Tuesday. Bye-bye.